everybody! Welcome to my YouTube video. Today I'll be doing this look that you see right here. This bluish green, purple winged eyeliner look, and stay tuned because I'll be showing you how to do this look right here. Okay, so I cleaned up my eyeshadow. Here you can see that I already prepped my eyes with a base and a primer. I already put this tape here so that we can make that easy wing liner without much work on cleaning it up if you're new to this. The tape I use, bandage tape, because it doesn't pull on your skin, and it looks like this. So this is Johnson & Johnson brand, and I just basically cut it in half so you can use the other half on the other eye. So here we go. I'm gonna start off light color. Just fill it all in with a fluffy brush. Get to the consistency that you want. And I am using Chanel right here. Les Courtre Ombre. I don't know, you can probably read it right there. There you go. There you go. Alrighty. Then I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of black to give it a more defined look at the end. Alrighty. Then I'm gonna go in with a creamy color. This one is NYX. There we go. Okay. And I'm gonna color in. It's okay that it's messy. I'm just gonna blend it out with a finger. Like so. There we go. Then I'm going to come in with a by Garnet Color Revolution. So these are actually really cool. You could choose whatever color you want, and they're basically powder, like super powdery, so it'll get everywhere. And so what you want to do is use something like a loose eyeshadow primer, and basically you create like a paste. So we're gonna create a paste for the eye. Basically I'm gonna dab a little of my hand, like so. So I'm gonna put a brush on like that, and I'm going to dab it like this, like so. Tap off the excess. And just in a dabbing motion. Oh, there you go, there's the focus. Oh man. Just dab on until you find the amount of vibrant that you want it to be. For me, the more I add, the shinier it gets. I'm gonna go in with Sugar Pill in Hellatronic. Okay. And I'm gonna fill it right here. Using the same method as before, and add it on. The shade, because I want it to be even more vibrant. Blend it with a MAC in New Crop, which is this color MAC, using a flat brush. A little bit, you don't want too much. Pulling it up a little more. There we go. I want to go back in and get this a little smokier. NYX gel. This is waterproof liner and smudger, so it's pretty awesome. I'm going to pull it down and up. And what we're going to do is peel this off. See how that sharp line? Okay, focus. There we go. Sharp line. Yes. We're gonna line the bottom eye. So you see how it has white right there? We're gonna line it with black. There we go. And then I'm gonna line this. I'm gonna go in with Urban Decay. It's so tiny. I don't know, it's like some brown color. I sharpened it so much I don't even know what color it is anymore. I'm gonna color the bottom. Like I'm going to add a little bit of this on the corner. Right there. I'm going to use a super flat brush like this. Small flat one. Lancome, this 4 block color. And using this lightest color right there. Highlight this area to give it a nice pop. So I'm going to highlight this. Urban Decay Heavy Metal, the distortion. And I'm going to distort my eyeball. Looking good already. So for eyelash, I use whatever lashes, basically. I'm using the Super Strong Hold right here by Eye Envy, or by Kiss. It's called Eye Envy or whatever. Glue. Apply the glue to the eyelash. See? Ugh. Oh my god. It's terrible. I need to work on the. There you go. You see it? There we go. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Focusing and there. Okay. Now I'm going to apply the band over here and apply. And that is it. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay, so that is the look for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. Peace. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Please.